Is your old gear shift knob looking a bit tired and worn out? This XUAWESD 6-speed gear shift knob and Gator boot cover for the Cruze 2008-2012 models might just be the perfect solution you've been searching for. It promises a seamless replacement and a significant aesthetic upgrade, and honestly, it delivers on both fronts. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't some flimsy piece of plastic. The material, identified as acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, feels surprisingly robust. It's designed to withstand the daily grind of shifting gears, which is exactly what you want in a component like this. The craftsmanship is evident. It feels solid and well-made, suggesting it's built to last. Installation is straightforward, as it's designed as a direct replacement for your manual transmission shifter boot. This means no complicated modifications or frustrating adjustments. It just slots right in, giving your car's interior a much-needed refresh. The snug fit is crucial here, ensuring optimal performance of your transmission gear change lever. You won't experience any looseness or awkwardness when shifting through the gears. But it's not just about functionality. The visual impact is undeniable. The exquisite design, mentioned in the product description, really shines through. It adds a touch of premium quality and a stylish look to the gear shift lever, making that part of your car feel more modern and appealing. It's a small change, but it makes a noticeable difference in the overall feel of the cabin. The 500-gram weight also contributes to a satisfying heft when you grip it. For anyone looking to restore or enhance the interior of their Cruze from these specific years, this gear shift knob and boot cover is a fantastic option. It's a durable, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing upgrade that's easy to install and feels great to use. It's a simple yet effective way to breathe new life into your car's manual transmission.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.